Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. So you're from Ajmer, right?
Yeah, I'm from Ajmer.
Okay. Um, and you work as a teacher.
Yeah.
That's great. So what subjects do you teach?
What, ma'am?
So what subjects do you teach?
Okay, I teach English subject like
All
academic
right.
9, 10th, 11th, and 12th academic classes.
Okay. The most important years.
Yeah.
Right.
But for in academic classes there is no improvement of English like English need for practice.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. But you're getting in some sense you're getting practice while you teach the language as well, aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So in what way are you teaching the students? In the sense, are you helping them prepare for their exams, or
Like
do you just teach them general communication?
not general communication, only books. There is two books in English, and then we have to translate in English and just make them understand question answer. That's enough.
Okay. So those two books are the ones that students study for their board exams.
Yeah, yeah, board exam for their exam, yearly exam. We just read and
Oh,
translate into Hindi, English to translate
okay.
into Hindi, and make them understand. And after then,
Okay.
we just make them understand question answer. And then the student they can learn easily and they write in the paper.
Okay. So they actually memorize the answers in their mother tongue,
Yeah, yeah.
but they are writing in Hindi or English. I am
English,
going to
English for
they
English,
write in
English
they
in English.
understand in Hindi and then they are
Yeah, yeah,
able to
yeah.
memorize the answers,
They
right?
memorize the answer like they can't understand. They mug up their all the lessons of that.
Okay.
It is the problem.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
they mug
that's
up.
so it must be a source of frustration for you that this is not the correct way to learn the language. Does it
Yeah,
bother you?
yeah. That's why
Okay.
I want to join this.
Right. So you want
Yeah.
ideas how you can make the language a little more interesting for your students and how they can actually gain some benefit out of learning English
Okay.
as a skill. Right. Okay. So Manoj, you have an interesting point of view being an English teacher,
Okay.
considering that you are teaching English to students, but you are a lot of you're not probably satisfied with the way it is being taught, and you
Yeah.
want to probably bring
It's
something of value to your students.
yeah. It is actually the different from language is different and teaching is different. A teacher
Yes.
can like teach English, but he is not able to speak English. It is not
Okay.
sure. It is not compulsory like an English teacher can speak English. Because
Okay.
maybe it possible in English medium school because we have to dictate in English, make them understand to student. But in Hindi medium, so not possible. Only
Right.
translator method is going on.
Yes. That
Yeah,
is there.
that,
Okay. So
that is the biggest problem.
in this process, while teaching English to Hindi medium students, do you
Yeah,
think your own English, your command over English language is somehow getting compromised as well?
it is compromising. It's a going very. What I tell you like I'm not satisfied. There is a like by just teaching I can improve my English. It's not possible this way.
Okay. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm curious. Do you feel when you started teaching English, you had better English, and now it's sort of you're confused about your proficiency in English itself because you are surrounded by people who talk in Hindi, and you
Yeah,
are actually translating the language also for
yeah.
Hindi speakers.
I feel something better because by just teaching we can learn new vocabularies. So it is
Yeah,
maybe just help our communication skills.
right.
But
Okay,
for fluency we need practical regular practice.
exactly.
I
That
want
is
to
what I
speak
tell
fluency.
everyone.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. I need
Okay.
fluency, but little bit I can speak English because
Yes.
by
No,
the
you speak good English, but I think your natural English is probably getting affected by Hindi speakers around you. So you're
yeah
not able to retain your competency. It's a
yeah
little
not
threatened.
honestly bottom of my heart I want to tell you like there is a no Hindi language in surrounded my house only Rajasthani Marwadi have you
Yes,
ever
yes.
Heard?
Yeah. I haven't heard of the language, but I know of the community and the fact that Marwari is also a language.
Yeah,
Is it very different from Hindi?
very different, totally different from Hindi.
Okay.
So
It
we
doesn't
live,
sound similar to Haryanvi.
not Haryanvi is different, Marwadi is different. Because in
Okay.
Rajasthan, not specific Marwadi, there is a lot of language spoken in Marwadi, in sorry, specific Rajasthan. Not only Marwadi,
Okay.
like in different areas, different like language.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes. So you're surrounded by native speakers, no, native speakers of different regional languages,
Only Marwadi
and
language.
there's no place for English anywhere, right?
There is no place where with whom I can find any person with whom I can talk. There is no person.
Okay.
Mm.
So I understand your requirement, your need to join Clappingo. So what are your future plans with if you get a little more competent in English? Do you have any plans of teaching English independently?
Actually, I want to open my spoken English institute. I want to
Right.
open institute. For that, I need fluency in English. Then I can make
Yes,
understand to other student.
that is
Because
right.
for open student, I need a command on English, fully
Yes.
command.
And you need exposure as well. So if you
Yeah,
join Clappingo, you will get to hear different speakers. You will get to hear every speaker will probably have a different level of proficiency.
yeah,
So you will know how much you need to measure up to
yeah,
become an independent trainer. Yeah, I
yeah,
understand your motive.
yeah. That's
Okay.
right.
Okay. So we have about 5 to 8 minutes left. Are there
Okay.
any questions you have regarding the service, regarding Clappingo that you want me to answer? Because your motives are quite clear and I know we can help you in some capacity,
Yeah.
and Clappingo will definitely be of benefit to you. So that is established. So do you have any other questions or
Ma'am,
concerns?
question is that, but like question is that in Clappingo, like many a person just told me like in Clappingo many times just we face the problems like a network problem and like lots of problems they told me. So that kinds of problem is does happen or not?
What kind of problem?
Like
What kind of
in
problem?
a, I
Yes.
mean many a person. I'm not agree, but the people say so. They like when we just submitted the fee, matlab that we just take subscription of this app, and then lots of problem we are just facing.
Okay. So some people, they might have issues with network. Right now, your network is working fine and I can hear you clearly. But some people, they get in touch in areas where they have poor connection or bad weather. So either the app freezes up or something happens. But rest assured, I think the speakers are required to have high-speed internet connection.
Yeah.
And I made sure that I can't speak on behalf of other speakers, because when they are hired, the backend team does perform a technical check to make sure that the speakers have well-functioning laptops or mobile phones through which they can connect with the learners. But sometimes the learners don't have a good quality connection, and since every session is also recorded, I think that requires a higher bandwidth.
Okay.
That's why Clampingo has arranged the facility for a demo, because during a demo, most learners can check their setup. So some learners will struggle to connect their headphones, and sometimes the setup is not compatible with the app. They can figure that out.
Yeah. By
So
first demo class, we can get the experience of clapping.
Yes. Yeah, they can discuss whether the app is for them or not. Some learners show up expecting a formal class, that they will be taught like people are taught in a classroom. So that is not the case. This is primarily an interactive service where people can engage with other English speakers, and assess themselves. And the speakers are able to probably offer some level of constructive feedback to show them what steps they can do, then they can take in their personal time, in their free time, to improve themselves. And I think some speakers can go above and beyond that as well, but it varies from speaker to speaker.
Yeah.
Right?
Because
Yeah. So right now, I don't see anything wrong with your at your end as far as network connection is concerned, or the audio quality or the video quality is concerned. If you can maintain this throughout your subscription period, you should not face any problem.
Okay, no problem. And I want to ask one more question. Like that,
Yes.
I watched videos on YouTube. So this,
Yes.
I want to also start, like I want to make my channels, and I can like a conversation
Yes.
videos I can upload. So like
Yeah.
how
So
can
yeah, Clappingo will encourage you to do that. That's how that is helpful for Clappingo as well. So you need to start your YouTube channel. As soon as you start, you can start asking for recording of your Clappingo sessions from the backend team. To do that, you just need to send them a message through the chat box. So if you log into your Clappingo app, there's a little chat box at the bottom of the dashboard. So
yeah.
that will be your main source of connection. I mean, that's like the easiest way to connect with the backend team. So you let them know that I had a session with this speaker on this date at this time, and I want a recording of that. So the backend team, they will just go through that recording. They'll probably edit it a little, clean it up, polish it a little bit, and hand over the recording to you. And you can upload it on YouTube.
Okay.
Right? So
Yeah.
in any case, you will be able to see all your recordings within the app immediately as soon as the session is over.
Okay. And ma'am, last question is that ki, like after the taking the subscription and matlab only one day today I'm just taking a 15-minute class, so it is compulsory to take only 15 minutes. Yeah, for more than like a 1 hour
Yes.
or 2 hour we can practice with different of people.
Yeah. So what happens? There is a 15-minute session that lasts for 18 minutes, and you have the option of opting for a 25-minute session that lasts for about 28 minutes.
Okay.
But we don't have the facility of offering a session any longer than that.
Okay.
28 minutes is as long as you can get. But let's say you opt for 7 sessions a week, and you cannot have a session every day. You cannot have a session every day. So you can book 2 sessions back to back. Some learners do that. Yeah. So you can, yeah. So that can be either with the same speaker or with 2 different speakers. Okay. So let's say you book a session with speaker A at 7 p.m. You can have another session. You can book another session at 7:30 with speaker B or speaker A itself.
By same subscription, I can book.
Yes. I mean, why would you want a different subscription? See, you can opt for either 1 session a week, 3 sessions, 5 sessions, or 7 sessions a week.
So I don't 7 session week, like yeah, whether we can take 1 day 7 or one.
Okay, I'm not clear about that. Yeah, you may not. I know that for many people, for many working professionals, they prefer to take multiple sessions on weekends because they have no time on weekdays. But if there is a limit on number of sessions you can take in a day, that I'm not sure of, you will have to ask the backend team. So you send them a message in the chat box that what is the maximum number of sessions I can take in a day, in case I have a free time. And you can share your preferences that I would prefer to take most of my sessions on Saturday or Sunday. You can let them know that, right? So they will let you know of the availability of speakers if you have any preference for any speaker. So the beauty of it is that you get to decide who you want a session with.
Yeah.
But the speaker should but it should coincide with the working hours of the speaker. But you can choose your speakers every time. Yeah. Right? So yeah. So the clarity, I don't know if there is a limit to the number of sessions you can take in a day. I know you can definitely take 3. But whether you can take more than 3 in a day, I'm not sure. In any case, it's better to disperse your sessions over the week. But in case time is of a constraint, you can take more than 1 in one day, on the same day. That is for sure.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much to make me understand.
No problem. I hope you benefit from our service, and I hope I get to talk to you again soon.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
All right, Manoj. I wish you all the best then.
Okay,
have a nice
thank
day.
you.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye.